Okay, I'm gonna admit that this is definitely my favorite brush as of now on because, ma'am. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Tovae.Naturally and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video I will be doing a review on a brush that has been going viral, and I'm so excited to try this brush because I've been seeing this brush everywhere, like literally everywhere. So I'm gonna be using the brush today. It is the Easy Detangling brush. I got this from curltastic.co on Instagram. This is what it looks like. It's so cute and it's so flexible, and yeah, I'll show you guys a close-up look. That's what it looks like. It also came with this attachment. So basically there's like holes right here where you can put it in the brush. I'll show you guys. Okay, so after putting on the attachment, that's what it looks like. It keeps the brush like more firm and in place, and if you put it towards the end at these ones, then it will be like even closer, and so that's why I put it on that one. However, I want to try the brush without the attachment. I just wanted to show you guys, so I'm gonna try it without the attachment and see how it works. My hair is freshly washed right now. I only shampooed my hair, no conditioner. I did not detangle my hair as yet, so I'm gonna try to see if this will detangle my hair. I have like type 3C, a little bit of 3C and 4A hair, so my hair is kind of thick and hard to detangle, so hopefully this does the job for me. I'm super excited, so let's see how this works. Okay, so first I'm gonna add my conditioner to my hair. I like to use this conditioner because it has a lot of slip, so I'm just putting it on the surface of my hair. I'm not even gonna finger detangle. And then on the description, like, it says you're supposed to start like vertically. Ooh. Not bad so far. So it says vertically first. So what I'm doing right now is going through my hair really good. I don't feel like any like snatches or anything like that. And then it says horizontally. Okay, so there's like a little bit of tangles, but this is going straight through my hair. It feels so soft. It's literally just gliding through my hair, and it's like you can see the flexibility of the brush. Like, look at that. It's like, since down here didn't get everything, up here tries to get it, and that's just so cool. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist this section away, and then I'm going to detangle the rest of my hair. I'm going to show you guys how it detangles the middle of my hair and the back of my hair because my hair has different textures. So yeah. By the way, that's all the hair that came out of the brush the first time I used it. Barely anything. Usually whenever I detangle my hair, a lot of hair comes out on my brush, especially when I use a Denman brush. It's like a lot of hair, but this is like barely anything. once again, I'm starting vertically from the bottom. Now I'm gonna go horizontally. Wow. Wow, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna admit that this is definitely my favorite brush as of now on because, ma'am, since the brush is so flexible, it like works with my hair. Like it gets, like, I don't even know how to explain it, but the flexibility basically helps with getting the tangles out. Like, look at that. Wow. Wow. Wow, you guys. I just love how flexible this brush is. Like, I am literally just amazed. Like, do y'all see them curls though? Like, definition? Okay. This brush is also like really good. Like, it has a good grip. I can actually hold it with conditioner in my hand and it just like stays in place. I really like that. Wow. This brush, y'all, is just so amazing. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, my hair was like really detangled like really well with this brush, and that's like the best brush I've used so far throughout my natural hair journey. So I'm gonna give this brush a 10 out of 10 because my hair is like so soft and detangled because of this brush, and I didn't really have a lot of breakage with it. Like, there's barely any hair that came out of the brush when I was using it. So yeah, I definitely suggest you guys try this brush out, especially for people with thick hair. It actually works, you guys. So I'm gonna give this brush a 10 out of 10, and I really like the flexibility most of all. I need to clean it, but yeah, this brush is amazing. You guys need to try it out. Today's video is super short, I know, but I just wanted to show you guys me trying this brush out because I was like so excited and I wanted you guys to see me trying it. So yeah, I give this brush a 10 out of 10, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.